Is this thing recording? White.
Oh, you got a GoPro?
It's my buddy Jax. Can't see shit, Captain. Damn.
Is it recording?
I think so. I don't know.
No wonder everyone.
Oh, fuck. Oh, it's all kinds of cockeyed on my skull.
Oh. Fuck that.
Well.
Here, go. I find what you need, Connor.
No. Trying to go drifting?
Let's do it.
Alright, bet. Here we good? I think we're good. Hello?
I think you're good.
Alright, the red light's on, so we're trying it. I don't know. We're going full send, me and Blake. It's buddy's GoPro. Probably see my fucking dorky ass in the mirror. If not, oh fucking well. Power shifting all day by. So we're going to a fucking drift spot. Test out new equipment. Get a wee peek at the fucking small town me and Blake call home. It's over. It's a dirt patch next to the convention center, and me and my buddies go full send there all the fucking time. Sorry if there's like a bridge here. If you might notice, my mint as fuck bill's chilling on top of it. Everybody going down the way is probably going, what in the fuck is he wearing? But you know what? I really don't care. Got the old Ranger Danger, eh? Yeah, this is probably going on the YouTubes. If not, oh fucking well. Open headers, eh? Second's not cooperating. Second never cooperates. Third, do your fucking job, cunt. I guess not. Give her the old Texas two-step. Fuck, we were down this way earlier today because Blake wanted to buy a new hot rod. I don't know if you can see it over there, that white Dodge. It's pretty fucking mint, but the guy wants half a fucking leg for it. Well, we got 4 of us between us, so we got some to spare, eh?
Oh yeah.
Oh, we're just fucking sending her down the way. Me and Blake thought we missed the fucking turn there for a hot second, but I forgot there's 2 different ways to get in this piece of shit. Oh, I'm not gonna risk it for the biscuit. I'm gonna wait till that motherfucker goes past.
Yeah, wait, we gotta cut up nigga.
Oh, for Fox fucking Creek.
Fox Creek.
Fox Creek. I like how I say Fox Creek, but here we say Crick. Second? There's second. Oh, fuck. Sorry about that. Johnny Law just passed us up. So, we're gonna sit here for a hot fucking second. But you can probably see the fucking dirt patch. Me and my buddy Tyler, he's got an old fucking Ram 50. And he just fucking goes full send all the time. Fucking brakes are minty as fuck, eh? Fuck yeah. Blake here, the fucking Caucasian himself, holding on to the fucking drink skins. Turn right to go left, eh? Fuck yeah. There's another place. Oh, look at all the mint shit over there. Oh, fucking squirrel. There's another spot up above the fucking high school, and we're gonna send it over there and do some fucking donuts in our 8, eh? Movie over on here on the right. Norco fucking Schumacher, whatever the fuck that place is. Autistic Fence Co. And then we got the old Maverick. Fuck yeah. Yeah? What's the capital of Bangkok? Or fuck. What's the capital of Bangkok?
China.
Oh, fuck.
Power company.
That's AT&T. I love how I have to keep reaching up here to fucking press the record button. You're taking a wrong turn, bud, unless you were going down a dirt road. Yeah, he realized that. You don't gotta worry about that.
Is that your best assault? You fucking cook.
There's a Minicooper for sale. Or not a Minicooper, a fucking whatchamahoochit.
It's loud. Bloody shins, my favorite. It gives you some bloody shins when you walk it. That ain't good noise. Hey, little four-wheelers in there.
Let me dump the rest of this fucking 5-hour meth out. Oh, let me get some pouches.
Pussy pouches. Oh, you gotta wiggle it. Yep.
I ain't trying to cut my thumb.
Pussy.
Tinky.
Pussy.
Pussy.
Gotta shit myself.
Damn. Damn.
Kill myself twice. Little children coming up. Let's see if we can lose it out the window. Here's a good spot.
We're going all the way to the tank, eh?
The tank?
The tank.
The tonk?
The tonk.
Well, I could have sworn the road got kind of fucky up ahead.
This is, oh.
Ah, yeah. Told you it got fucky.
Fuck, shit.
Emergency brake, emergency brake.
Box. Oh, fuck, it's light as shit. We just Oh, we gotta take the hooks off. Oh. We're putting it on.
What's your mom gonna think?
Oh, fuck.
No way, I think they're stuck.
Yeah, that'll be fine. That one, I think, just... Can you pull the block out at least?
Oh,
Oh, mama. Yeah, let's toss it in the back of the truck first.
what do you do with these?
Just toss them on the fucking passenger seat right quick. We'll throw them around.
Which way does it go?
That's the front. Oh, let me get up there. Oh fuck, it's meant for a bigger truck.
It is. Put it in sideways.
Oh. Fuck, are we even gonna be able to shut the bed? Oh yeah.
Oh, sure? Oh, barely.
Well, here in a half hour I gotta go to work, so we're gonna go up to this tank and flip a Yui and send her back.
Great.
Fuck. See what kind of... Oh.
I think we're gonna lose the lid.
Yeah, maybe when we get up here and turn around, toss the lid and just leave it dirty dangle in the bed. Oh, fuck.
Probably should have went that way.
Nah, see, we can go up this way and turn and burn, guy. How the fuck are maintenance crews supposed to get out here? Jesus Christ. I don't know if you can see that, but my fucking guardian angel landed in this fucker's spit. How? What? Well, I'm blessed by the gods of dip now, I guess. Well, fuck. We're gonna have to figure out how to get that out somehow and wash it off.
Oh yeah. It must be her.
Shit.
Oh, you should have went that way.
But
Oh,
it's
shit.
a ravine over there.
Fuck it, dude. Ah, fuck.
Oh, fuck it. Oh, shit, it ain't bad.
Okay.
Yeah, see, that's just a straight up ravine right there. There's no way in hell this thing would be making it across there. Like, fuck. Jesus. Having a nut over there, bud?
Yes.
It's kind of hard not to when you're bashing around an old 90s Ranger with a mint fucking desert fan in the back with fucking washed out roads, eh? Oh, fuck. We only speed shift here.
Oh, yes.
Because, you know, we gotta save the clutch in this thing for, you know, drifting and what have you.
Oh, yeah.
Spinning roadies. Let's see if we can fucking downshift her. Oh, that was clean as shit. I usually grind the fuck out of third or second. What do you know? Fucking mint. You don't need brakes. Especially when you got El Manuel by your side. See, we only go for the fucking bolt action rigs, eh? We're sending it back down to the fucking park because I gotta drop this fucking honky off so I can go to work and then go home, take a fat shit, eat some greasy fucking home cooked food, and keep on fucking sending, right? We need to come out with a fucking real outro for these fucking things, eh? Did I say A too much?
Yeah, you want to be Canadian fucking punk?
Fuck you. I come from Eureka, and we all talk like this.
Eureka.
Eureka. Eureka.
Eureka.
Anyways, we'll fucking see you goddamn libtards on the flip side, eh? Deuces.